Today, as we begin, I invite you to find a comfortable position, laying down wherever you're comfortable, be it on the floor, with a comfortable pillow supporting your head, or sitting up, laying on the couch, laying on a bed, preferably in a position that's slightly different than your usual position when you go to sleep. Because albeit meditation is supposed to relax you, it's more useful when you're relaxed and awake, relaxed and asleep. So allow yourself to get situated in a comfortable position, laying down with your head rested comfortably, either on a pillow or the surface below you. Allow your hands to fall to your sides, gently touching the surface below you. Your palms open down towards the ground. Allow yourself to sink into the ground or the surface below you in this moment of stillness. Allowing your breath to come and go as it pleases, and thoughts to come and go as they please. Without judgment, allowing the thoughts to come and go as they please. As you just feel the gentle sensations all over your body, and the gentle breeze on your upper lip as the air comes out of your nose, or the slight movement of your stomach up and down as your breath comes and goes. Our practice today will focus on the breath and allowing the breath to be our anchor, supporting us in this moment. We will also connect to the ground beneath us, feeling the power of the earth as we practice. As we breathe, allow our stomachs to expand fully during the inhale and contract fully and slowly during the exhale. As we begin to breathe together, inhale deep, hold, release. Again, inhale deep, hold, release. One more time, inhale deep, hold, release. To help keep your mind clear, as we continue through our practice, as your mind drifts and wanders, allow your attention to gaze back to your breath, feeling it moving your body, be it your stomach or the air coming out of your nose and feeling the breeze on your upper lip. Allow yourself to feel the sensations of your body, to feel the coolness of the surface below you. As your mind drifts, just bring it back to this moment. How does it feel in my stomach as my breath moves? And sit in stillness as you feel. How does the surface below me feel? And if you're on a couch or bed, feeling the cushion or mattress below you. You're on the floor, feeling the hardwood or carpet or grass beneath you. And allowing yourself to submerge within the surface beneath you. Become one with that which you are on top of in this moment. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. As you release, allowing yourself to further sink into the surface beneath you. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Sinking further into the surface. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Now as we continue, regardless of the surface you are on in this moment, imagine you are laying flat on the earth, on the grass or concrete, somewhere comfortable within the earth, the sand of the beach. And as you release your breath, allow yourself to sink into the earth. Feel the earth support you as she supports every seed that is sown within her soil. Feel your connection to the earth beneath you. As you breathe, feel her breath filling you, the oxygen leaving the ground, entering your body through your back, and filling your stomach all the way. And as you release, your body sinking in as the earth absorbs all of that carbon dioxide, leaving you. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Again, inhale deep. Hold. Release. One last time, allowing yourself to become one with the earth. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. As you lay here in the depths of the earth, feel the nutrients from the earth rising from the ground, filling your body. As the nutrients does, filling the roots of a plant all the way to its flower. Allow yourself to be nourished by the earth, which supports you in this moment. As we sit in stillness, continue to allow your breath to be deep and slow, going at whatever pace feels comfortable to you, feeling all of the energy rising from the earth and filling your entire body. Settle into this moment. Allowing your mind to focus on what it feels like to be here in this moment. Noticing any place in your body where you might feel a sensation, tingle, a pain, an itch, whatever the sensation, take note of it and let it pass. Continuing to center into your breathing. As our practice comes to a close, allow yourself to feel the stability that you feel in this moment. As I speak some affirmations over us, repeat them if you'd like, or listen if you'd like, or both. Allowing your breath to continue to come and go. I am supported. I am loved. I have everything I need. I am stable. I am secure. I am one with the earth. I am one with the universe. I am grounded. I am open to receive. I am here. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Again, inhale deep. Hold. Release. One last time, inhale deep. Hold. Release. As we bring our awareness back to this moment, allow your fingers to gently move, feeling the surface beneath you, wiggling your toes, gently shaking your shoulders, coming back to this moment. One last breath as we open our eyes during the release. Inhale deep, hold, release. Bring your hands to your heart, allowing all of the energy that just came from the earth to fill you from your heart. Feeling the love, the support, the comfort, and the protection filtering in to your body through your heart. Thank yourself for taking the time to do this today. I thank you for joining me, and I pray that the rest of this day brings you more love and light. Enjoy your day. Peace to you.